Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Wayne. Uh, you ever filleted fish in one smooth motion? Watch the knife in action. You won't believe the precision. I'm not the best cinematographer for something like this, but I've got some filleting action. I've got some chicken butchering action, and maybe some other things thrown in here. But the key is a knife. This is HOSHANHO. Hope I did your name justice. I love your knife. It's a beauty. It's got a special kind of paca wood, maybe. It's a beautiful, beautiful handle, and they really do a nice job on their knives. And that dude just—I haven't sharpened it yet. I've used it, but I haven't sharpened it. So it's got a fine edge on it, and it seems to keep the edge real nice. And we'll steel it up and keep it that way. But anyway, this is dandy. As you can see, the action of it here. Anyway, HOSHANHO. It's a very nice knife, and high quality. You can get it too. You'll enjoy it. Thank you. Bye now.